Hi there! First up in this section on social welfare reference sources is the Oxford Encyclopedia of Social Work. You may be asking, what is the Encyclopedia of Social Work? It's a subject-specific encyclopedia which provides a comprehensive overview of all kinds of social work topics. The overview of each topic consists of the main points of the latest research. The entries also offer keywords for searching, references, and further reading for following up in greater detail. A word of caution, encyclopedia entries are not peer-reviewed journal articles. Please be mindful that entries from the Encyclopedia of Social Work, as with all encyclopedias, are not peer-reviewed articles. They contain valuable information but are not original research. Instead, the encyclopedia entries summarize the key elements of current research on a given topic. Use the keywords included to bolster your searches for peer-reviewed sources in the library databases. Use the reference list and further reading to identify fundamental peer-reviewed journal articles and other core sources for getting more detailed information on your topic. So getting to the Encyclopedia of Social Work. Use the Social Welfare Research Guide to access the encyclopedia. If you don't remember how to get to the Social Welfare Research Guide, go back to Section 1 and watch the tutorial on tools. The encyclopedia is the top key resource on the research guide. When we click on the encyclopedia link, we get this interface. While there is a lot of interesting and browsable information as we scroll down the main page, let's go back up and focus on the search box. Now, suppose I'm doing a research project on the topic of trauma in victims of human trafficking. I can start in the encyclopedia by searching human trafficking. So we'll start with this very basic search in the box, human trafficking, typing it in. Please note, I do not recommend the advanced search in this resource. The results for this search show a couple of possibly relevant entries: exploiting labor, overview, sex trafficking policy, and so forth. A number of these entries might be helpful, but let's look at the overview entry first. Okay, here we are on the overview entry. Note we can review the summary to get a quick understanding of the contents of this entry. Below the summary are suggested keywords that could be used for database searching later on. On the left is a table of contents of the subheadings where we can jump to a specific area if need be. Let's look at the subheading Services to Victims at the Micro Level. Judging from the context here, an article referenced Bush-Armendariz 2014 seems to have a good amount of information on an approach to take with clients. If we click on the 2014, we are transported to the general references list for the whole encyclopedia entry. And here's the complete reference. We're highlighting it here, and we see the author's names, published in 2014. The title of the article is a link, and then the journal it appears in is International Social Work, volume 57, issue 1, page 7 through 18. As we noticed, the title of this article is a hot link. We can click through that link, and through the magic of library wizardry on the back end of things, we can get to the article. We are transported to the article page, and from there we can click through to the PDF, and voila, we have the article. Now let's go back to the encyclopedia page for a minute. Note that there may be other interesting evidence-based books and articles cited throughout the entry that may be of use. If there is no direct link in the reference you need, have no fear. We will cover how to find these articles and books using our library search in Section 3. Now let's move on to the second critical reference source, the DSM-5.